Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you Holloman Jack O Lantern Nails Guide step by step. Celebrate Halloween by dressing up your nails with this haunting design. Step number 1, start by painting your nail with a high and bright orange nail polish. Step number 2, using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish, create a straight French tip on all of your nails except the ring finger. You can also freehand it with the nail polish. Brush it, you don't own a nail art brush. Step number 3, using a same brush and nail color, fill in the French tips. Step number 4, using a thinner nail art brush and same nail color, draw a simple triangle in the center of your ring fingernail. This will be the jack-o'-lantern's nose. Step number 5, using the same brush and nail color, draw 2 triangles, one on each side of the first triangle to be the jack-o'-lantern eyes. Step number 6, using a same brush and nail color, create your jack-o'-lantern's mouth by drawing a half circle at the bottom of your nails. Step number 7, once the half circle is dry, use a nail art brush and bright orange nail polish to draw a few small squares along the top of the half circle. These squares will be your jack-o'-lantern teeth. Step number 8, using a small dotting tool and white nail polish, create polka dots on your back tips. Step number 9, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. And that's all for Halloween nail art design. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel to your friends, family and other members. Thank you.